Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you this stretch text effect within Adobe Photoshop. A very simple process for you to follow, but as you can see, a very cool idea. Question should be is how do we do it? And that's why I'm here today guys, to show you what to do. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this top layer here and just press backspace to remove it. And I'm just going to turn on this layer here. And as you can see, I have the text already set up for us with a black background. Okay, so currently at the moment, this is typography. Okay, and what I need to do is I need to convert this into a shape. So if I now come to the layer and I go right click, I have the option here to convert to shape. Now, what I'm going to do is use my direct selection tool. I'm just going to select the bottom collection of anchor points here. So it's going to probably go around, let's say about here. Lovely. And then using my direct selection tool now, I'm going to take these down, click and drag these, press shift as well at the same time to keep it nice and straight, like so. Wonderful. And as you can see now, our stretching idea is coming to life. So just going to get that placed a little bit better. Let's make sure I use that with my alignment tools here. Just going to make sure that I align to the canvas. Like so. All right, wonderful. Now we've converted this into a shape. What we next need to do is convert this into a smart object. So if we go right click, we have the option here to convert to smart object. The reason is because now what I want to do is apply a filter, and I want to apply a smart filter, which I can edit and change at a later stage. So now I'm going to go to filter and liquify. Now using my forward warp tool, I'm probably going to come around here and we're going to create a line through like so. And we're going to probably come down this way and go the other way and go through like so. As easy as that, guys. You have the option to change the size of the brush, the density, but at the moment, these options are pretty cool for me and perfect. And like I said, I've been using the forward warp tool. So now if I press OK, wonderful. And now what I'm going to do is just simply add a new layer on top. I'm going to get my brush tool, make sure that my foreground color is black, using a soft brush here. And I'm just going to come through and I'm just going to create a line like so. And I'm going to create a line like so there. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create that stretch text effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also as well, guys, there are tutorials that are coming out on a weekly basis. So please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.